Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to my channel. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner, Judinka Nail Art, and Girly Nail 66 also joined in. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. Let's get started. Since I'm doing a smushy mani, I applied a very thin coat of this light lacquer polish called Yours Truly. Then I applied a few drops of Will Always Have Paris, Mia, and Yours Truly directly onto my nail. Using a stamper, I smushed the polish onto my nail to create a beautiful base. I use a nail art brush dipped in acetone to do some cleanup whenever it's needed. On the last nail, I applied Will Always Have Paris. From the Ajubas plus Sarah R2 stamping plate, I'm going to use one image to stamp on that nail. Unfortunately, I lost the clip where I stamped it directly onto my nail, but I'll show you guys how beautifully it picked up. These stamping plates are amazing. I sealed the design with my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. This is the completed manicure and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!